We are taking a look at Tesla stock here on April 11th, 2025. Just want to let you guys know, yesterday we got two price targets, one being 190 and then Mizuho here with 375. Keep in mind that on March 17, Mizuho had a price target of 430, cutting down Mizuho's down to 375 here, but still a buy recommendation. We got a lot of buy recommendations here within March and April, so definitely keep an eye out for upside movement, but always take this with a grain of salt as well. Let's go ahead and go into the Tesla chart here. Okay, so currently we're at 244, 245, down about 3% today. The overall market here is a bit choppy, but we do have, for example, Nvidia here up about 2%. But let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla today. And I'm still going to be reiterating some things I've said before. And in case you are new here to the channel, welcome to the channel. For Tesla stock, anything below 250, I think is a really good dip opportunity. I said this also below 272. So between 272 and 250, wouldn't mind adding a small position, but if we do have this breakdown below 250, which is occurring again today, right? We've had so many opportunities below 250 and it's happening again, right? I would add a big, personally, I would add a big position into Tesla shares. Nothing has to, I'm not talking about call options or anything, all right? Shares, I personally would be adding a big position below 250, especially if I am looking to hold this long term. I don't mind if Tesla drops down to 180. I would look to add more as well, as I do believe 180 is going to be a major support level. I think the potential bottom as well, in case 214 doesn't last, all right? But I'm not looking to time the bottom. I'm just keeping in mind that there is that possibility of 180 being tested. And again, I'll still leave cash on the side just in case it does come down to those lows, but I'm still not missing this opportunity to be dollar cost averaging into Tesla. So while we are below 250, and if I have the cash for it, I don't mind adding small positions at a time, again below 272, but bigger positions below 250. All right. And again, here we are at 243, 244. I'll be looking to add into Tesla stock as well. If you want to view the current price here down to about 213, that is going to be right around a 14% drop, and then down to about 180 is close to a 25% drop. And again, I don't mind this drop. I don't mind also bag holding. And again, like I said, I'm not looking to buy the bottom. I'm just looking to buy within a preferable price range. And I already mentioned to you my preferable price range there. If we go ahead and just look at the broader picture and kind of cancel out some of the noise that's been going on for Tesla stock, this is the upside move you should keep an eye out for moving forward for the remaining of 2025. The resistance of 272, in my opinion, without a doubt, is going to be tested, and that could be tested here in the short term as well. An 11% move on Tesla stock is, it's definitely happened so many times, right? Within 1 or 2 weeks, this is a high possibility in my opinion. 313 is one of the major resistances I'm keeping an eye out for as well. It will be above the 200 daily moving average, and once we break above 313, I would keep an eye out for 355 or ranging up to 355 as well. So between a 27 all the way up to about a 45% move towards the top side is going to occur here for Tesla stock. I know Tom Lee said he mentioned that he believed that there was going to be a sharp V recovery. And while I think there is going to be a recovery, I don't think it's going to be as fast as Tom Lee was expecting. It just might take some extra time here. And again, I think all we need is time and patience for Tesla stock to unravel back up towards the top side. That's just my personal opinion. Of course, 406 here is also going to be another major resistance to keep an eye out for as well. And I do think the moment we break above 406, that's when we should keep an eye out for the all-time high being retested, right around 488. So look, you know the downside here in the worst case scenario is down to about 180. That risk is, again, not guaranteed, but down to about 25%. And then you also know that, well, in my personal opinion, the all-time high is going to be tested at 488. And that's a 98% move towards the top side. So let me know what you are doing, knowing that the risk is 25% and that the upside is 99%, right? Obviously, it's not guaranteed we're going to hit 488, and it's not guaranteed we're going to hit, 180. But personally, this is my projection, and I firmly believe in my own opinion here, that in the future we are going to test 488. And so no matter the dip here, I think this is a really good opportunity to be adding into Tesla stock, okay? Say you're watching this video weeks or months or possibly even a year from today, and you missed out on this opportunity below 250, below 272. I still think below 313, I wouldn't mind adding a small position into Tesla stock as well, okay? if you're just looking at dollar cost average over time, I still think Tesla stock is going to be one of those biggest movers, and it's definitely something to keep an eye out for if you're looking to potentially 2x, 3x your portfolio. I really think this is a big deal here while we are at these lows, especially below the 200 daily moving average. I called Tesla stock out before in one of our first videos of Bullish Raid here on the YouTube channel, right around when it was at 170, 180, and then it got to that high of 488. And then, of course, here we are back down to another huge dip opportunity. I think this is a buy, in my opinion, okay? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you're long term on Tesla stock, are you buying at these levels or are you waiting for a bigger dip? And lastly, if we go into the week chart here, of course, we've had a lot of volatility here these past 4 or 5 years. I still think we are going to have a bigger leg up moving into the next couple of months here, possibly within 1 or 2 years. We might even see $800 to $1,000 be tested. That's just a personal prediction of mine. A lot of people called me crazy when it was at 170, 180, and I was predicting 200 to 300. Obviously, we even broke higher than my prediction there, up to 488. So if you guys don't have a community yet for Tesla stock, check out the Discord and Patreon link down below in the description. It's also going to be on the right side of the screen here for the QR code. It's free to join the Discord. Feel free to come on in. We have over 32,000 people there. And we have a dedicated chat section for Tesla stock as well. There's no hype. There's no BS. People are just sharing their personal opinions there. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, we don't force anyone what to do. But if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do share it with multiple analysts, right? Patreon link there on the right, as well as the description of the video. And we do have a permanent 90% off discount going on right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So if you check out the Patreon QR code or link down below in the description, if there's any open spots, feel free to secure it. And if we are sold out, then we will probably open back up in about a month or two. So every month, check to see if there's any open spots. And we'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock. Thank you guys for tuning in.